Hi guys! Today, I'm going to show to you how to add Nightbot as your moderator in your YouTube livestream. Let's begin! Type in nightbot.tv on the address bar and hit enter. Sign up and choose which live stream you want to connect Nightbot with. Then choose YouTube. Connect to your channel and click Allow. Now click Join Channel. Copy the URL link of Nightbot. Go to your YouTube studio, click Settings, and select Community. Now paste the URL link of Nightbot as moderator and click Save. You have now connected Nightbot to your YouTube livestream. Now you just need to explore Nightbot Commands. In this case, since we are using Nightbot to Winners Vlogs livestream, I have these commands. For example, when the user types in list, Nightbot will reply the following message. You need to set the seconds on how Nightbot will execute the command and hit submit. Now let's test Nightbot. Nightbot will only execute the commands once the channel goes live. So that's it for today, guys. Bye!